we are looking at multiplication shortcut. In particular, we are looking at multiplication of big fat numbers with 5, if not 25, if not 125, if not 625, and so on and so forth. There is a pattern associated with this, and I would want you guys to pause and think over what is the exact pattern. What is the pattern we are looking at? Each of this number is what? Yes, is a multiple of 5, guys. 25 is 5 into 5. 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 getting multiplied 3 times. 625 is 5 getting multiplied 4 times. That is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So if we have any number which is a multiple of just 5, we can use this shortcut. Okay, so let me show the shortcut. So if we have any big fat number, let me take 4, 8, 2, something like this. If I have to multiply with 5. Yes, this is an easy number. But if you can think of big fat number. Okay. So what we have to do is, I can rewrite 5 as 10 divided by 2. Is that correct? I can write it because 10 divided by 2 is 5. And can I multiply 482 into 10? 4820. And divided by 2, it will continue to be there. Now I can divide and I get the answer. So your argument might be, you know what, into 5 is not a big, it's not a big deal. I can still do it. I can just directly multiply rather than doing this. I agree. Let me show it with 4, 8, say 4 into 25. I'll rewrite this as 484 into 100 by 4. You guys agree? 100 by 4 is 25. Now, multiplying 484 into 100 is very simple. And then we need to divide with 4. And so dividing with 4 will lead to 12100. Is that correct? Have a look. Let me actually show it to you guys. So 484 into 25. So we got the same answer. But it was so easy, is it not? This was so easy. So can you see that? So whenever you get any such number, 5, 25, 125, 625, and so on and so forth, you can always use this concept. Always use this idea. That is, convert those numbers to multiples of 10 and then do the multiplication and then division. So why did this work? Why did 484 into 25 get converted to 100 by 4 and all of that? So to explain that, let me use this space. Can I write this entire expression into 1? Because multiplying with 1, the number remains the same. So can I just multiply with 1? You guys agree? Can I write 1 as 4 divided by 4? Of course, I can write anything. I can write it as 5 by 5 also. But I am taking 4 by 4. Reason being, 25 into 4 gives me 100. And so I can write 25 by 100 by 4. And 484 will remain as 484 and nothing happens over here. Okay, so depending on the scenario, right, example 1 to 5. In this case, I will need to multiply with, I think with 8 eights. One more example, 808 into 125. 125 can be written as 1000 by 8. 1000 by 2 is 500. 500 by 4 is 125. Yeah, correct. And now multiplying 808 with 1000 is very simple. 3 zeros. and then division of this will be 101,000. See, it was so simple. So you get any big fat number like this again over here, 625. All I have to do is write this as, this will be next nearest tens will be 1000. And how did I get this? By multiplying with 16. Not 1000 actually. If I multiply with 16, I'll not get 1000. I'll get 10,000. Sorry, 10,000. And multiplying with 10,000 is a lot simpler than 16. And this will end up with 1s are 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's our answer. Let me show this. 6 into 625. Right, we got the same number. I just missed the comma. So they have used international system. I'm using Indian system for placing the comma. If not, they are the same numbers. So basically, I'll give you guys this table. Whenever you get anything with 5, multiplying with 5, write it as 10 by 2. Anything with 25, it will be 100 by 4. Anything with 125, it will be, 100 by 2. This is 1000 by 8. Can you see a pattern here as well? Whenever you get 625, it is to do with 10,000 by 16. Can you see this pattern? So as in when we increase the number by 5 times basically, this moves from 10, 100. So basically it moves from tens. It increases by tens and the denominator increases by 2s. 2, 4, 8, 16. Can you see that? So this goes back to patterns, right? This goes back to patterns. So this is a rule. I don't think you'll get more than this, but if you even get more than this, the rule is increase by 5 and increase by 2 in the numerator and denominator and finish the multiplication and division and stuff. That's how you go about doing this set of questions.